Welcome to the future of technology, where reality meets imagination. Today, we will delve into the extraordinary world of augmented reality in 2024. Imagine a world where the line between the physical and digital realms is blurred, where reality is enhanced by virtual elements. Augmented reality, or AR, is revolutionizing the way we see and interact with the world around us. In 2024, Arkansas has become an integral part of our everyday lives. From entertainment to education, its applications are limitless. With AR glasses, we can bring our favorite characters to life, stepping into their worlds as if they were our own. In the classroom, teachers utilize AR to create immersive learning experiences. Students can explore ancient civilizations, witness scientific concepts come to life, and even interact with virtual mentors. Education has never been more exciting or engaging. But AR isn't just for entertainment and education. It has also revolutionized industries like healthcare and retail. Doctors can now perform complex surgeries with the assistance of holographic visualizations, ensuring precise and accurate procedures. Online shopping has been transformed into a personalized experience, where we can virtually try on clothes and see how they fit without ever leaving our homes. AR has also reshaped the way we communicate and collaborate. With AR-powered video conferencing, distance is no longer a barrier. We can have meetings with individuals from across the globe, feeling as if we're all in the same room. The future of augmented reality in 2024 is boundless. It holds the potential to unveil new worlds, enhance our lives, and break barriers. Get ready to experience the unimaginable and explore a realm where reality and imagination intertwine. Moving on, let's talk about 5 new augmented reality tech that may come this year. Number 1. Apple's Vision Pro headset. People have been speculating about Apple's entry into the world of virtual and augmented reality headsets for the better part of a decade, and at WWDC 2023, it finally revealed Vision Pro. The new headset runs Vision OS, uses 2 Apple Silicon chips, M2 Ultra and R1, and can be used for up to 2 hours with a tethered battery pack, or for as long as you want if it's plugged in. It also uses natural control with hand and eye tracking as well as voice commands. The Vision Pro headset will arrive early next year in the US, and Apple is pricing it at $3,499 to start. Apple had never officially confirmed that it was working on the headset, but over the years, there were all kinds of rumors about what it might make. Now we know the truth about Vision Pro, a mixed reality device capable of both virtual and augmented reality experiences. Just like the rumors said, users can switch between AR and VR using a digital crown-style dial, and depending on what they're viewing, it displays their eyes on the front so that others know the person wearing it can see them. Apple's June announcement that it would launch the Vision Pro headset early next year could be very early. As Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports, things are lining up for the device to launch by February. He says we shouldn't expect another launch event, which is understandable for a $3,499 device that will probably have a limited supply. But bringing this to market is a major undertaking that means preparing Apple Store employees to guide new users, adjust fitting, and deal with prescription lens options. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Ring. Rumors are piling up that Samsung Galaxy Ring could launch sometime next year, which could be as early as January alongside the Galaxy S24 at Samsung Unpacked, or later in the year, along with the Z Fold 6. Whenever it does arrive, it could prove to be a major competitor to devices such as the Oura Ring. Quite obviously, we expect the Galaxy Ring to be, well, a ring. A story in The Elec says that Samsung is making the ring in 4 sizes, which is half that of the Oura Ring. Similar to other devices, it will most likely have a built-in heart rate monitor. It's table stakes for all of the best fitness trackers, but could also have more advanced features, such as blood pressure monitoring and AFib detection. However, some of these could require FDA approval, which can take months, if not years. An older report said that Galaxy Ring production started in August, but given the latest rumors as of October 2023, which says that the ring won't come out until later in 2024, makes this seem less likely. Depending on when the ring is released, it's possible that it will launch without all of its features active, but the company will roll out the advanced tracking once it clears regulatory hurdles with the FDA. Number 3. Meta Ventura VR headset. Meta plans to release its first pair of smart glasses with a display in 2025, alongside a neural interface smartwatch designed to control them, The Verge has learned. Meanwhile, its first pair of full-fledged AR glasses, which CEO Mark Zuckerberg has predicted will eventually be as widely used as mobile phones, is planned for 2027. The details were shared with thousands of employees in Meta's Reality Labs division on Tuesday during a roadmap presentation of its AR and VR efforts that was shared with The Verge. Altogether, they show how Meta is planning to keep investing in consumer hardware after a series of setbacks and broader cost-cutting across the company. A spokesperson for Meta declined to comment for this story. With regards to the VR roadmap, employees were told that Meta's flagship Quest 3 headset coming later this year will be 2 times thinner, at least twice as powerful, and cost slightly more than the $400 Quest 2. Like the recently announced Quest Pro, it will prominently feature mixed reality experiences that don't fully immerse the wearer, thanks to front-facing cameras that pass through video of the real world. Meta has sold nearly 20 million Quest headsets to date. Number 4. Rollable phones. Yes, we are talking about a rollable phone. And the most surprising part of it all is that the rumored year when Samsung is said to release its first generation is 2025. That's just a couple of years away from now. The leaker even shares some expected features of this mysterious rollable phone from Samsung, claiming that it would come with an improved under-display camera, also called an under-panel camera, UPC. They also say that the new rollable display will have zero bezel. The improved under-display camera sounds like a feature that is more of a necessity with a rollable display instead of just a quirky addition, given the zero bezel approach. Samsung has already shown off rollable displays. It did so in May of this year, and one example was called the Rollable Flex, which could extend from just 49mm all the way up to 254.4mm. If you thought foldable phones could transform into tablet-like devices, then you haven't seen anything yet. If this is the design the company is going for in the rumored 2025 model, then it would make most sense to place an under-display camera either on the left or right side of the phone. If Samsung ends up releasing a rollable phone in 2025, then it would probably do so alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 in August, assuming the usual release schedule for the Duo has not changed by then. Number 5. Foldable tablets. It looks like Samsung is indeed working on a full-fledged foldable tablet that will be different from its Galaxy Z Fold range of foldable smartphones. In an interview with The Independent dated July 28th, Samsung Mobile Chief TM Roh confirmed that the company is developing foldable tablets and laptops. Before the company's official acknowledgement, a tipster previously reported that Samsung would launch a foldable tablet sometime this year. They believe that Samsung will launch said tablet alongside the Galaxy Tab S9 series. However, we all know that didn't happen. Seems like the leaker was only half right. We now know that a foldable Samsung tablet is indeed in development. Folks at Let's Go Digital previously highlighted a Samsung patent for a foldable tablet called the Galaxy Z Fold Tab. The publication had created renders based on the patent, and they showed a multi-folding device with displays that could bend both inwards and outwards. In saying that, you should know that many such patents never turn into actual products. We'll have to wait for Samsung to reveal more about the tablet or leakers to out it once it's actually in production. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Thank you to all of yous that made it to the end. Comment "Great video, buddy" if you made it to the end. And as always, make sure you don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates on future tech. Goodbye.